What is the purpose of HoneyBook? Have you ever been in a situation where you're trying to run your own business, but you're not sure how to keep track of all of your clients and projects? Or maybe you're just looking for a way to make your business more professional. If so, then HoneyBook is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we're going to take a look at what HoneyBook is, how it can help you run your business more efficiently, and some of the features that make it so popular. What is HoneyBook? HoneyBook is a cloud-based business management software that helps you manage your clients, projects, and finances. It's designed for small businesses and freelancers, and it's packed with features that can help you save time and money. How can HoneyBook help you run your business more efficiently? There are a number of ways that HoneyBook can help you run your business more efficiently. Here are a few of the most important. Keep track of your clients and projects. HoneyBook makes it easy to keep track of all of your clients and projects in one place. You can create custom profiles for each client, and you can add tasks, milestones, and deadlines to each project. Send professional proposals and invoices. HoneyBook makes it easy to create professional proposals and invoices that you can send to your clients. You can also track the status of your invoices and see when they have been paid. Manage your finances. HoneyBook helps you keep track of your finances by tracking your income and expenses. You can also create budgets and see how you're doing against your goals. Automate your workflow. HoneyBook can help you automate your workflow by sending automatic emails to clients when tasks are completed or invoices are due. Collaborate with your team. HoneyBook makes it easy to collaborate with your team members. You can share files, tasks, and milestones with your team members, and you can see who is working on what. Some of the features that make HoneyBook so popular. Easy to use. HoneyBook is very easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. The interface is clean and intuitive, and there are plenty of tutorials and support resources available. Affordable. HoneyBook is also very affordable. There are a variety of pricing plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your budget. Powerful. HoneyBook is packed with powerful features that can help you run your business more efficiently. Scalable. HoneyBook is scalable so it can grow with your business. You can add new users and features as your business grows. If you're looking for a way to run your business more efficiently, then HoneyBook is the perfect solution. It's a powerful, affordable, and easy-to-use business management software that can help you save time and money. If you're interested in learning more about HoneyBook, please visit our website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to run your business more efficiently.